Recently, Megan and I did a video titled 11 Whips You Need to Know for West Coast Swing, but in this video, we're gonna cover what's called the Apache Whip. It's a cool whip variation you're gonna need to know, but make sure to stay to the end of the video and I'll share 10 more whips that'll help you look awesome on the social dance floor. An Apache Whip. What's an Apache Whip?
A whip with an outside turn.
Yeah, so this is where it kind of gets funky, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That is whip with outside turn footwork. Do that for us and we'll talk about that.
Followers, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, turning 5, turning 6, 7, and 8.
So, same footwork for me. It's an outside turn for the followers. So if you know number 2, the whip with an outside turn, you know an Apache Whip. But let's talk about the subtlety of this hand and show you how it relates to some cool patterns that we do. 1, 2, 3, and 4 of 5, 6, 7, and 8. So let's talk about that hand this way. So we get to count 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to slide this hand down. I'm going to pass this. If it doesn't get there right away, no worries. 5, 6, and I'm going to slide it and catch it that way. I took my footwork out of it. So that's an Apache Whip. Why is it good to know that as its own standalone whip, aside of the fact that we needed 11 for this video, is this position is what gets us to these cool moves that we do today, 2023, as we're doing that video. So an Apache Whip is number 3. All right, as promised, here is the video for 11 whips you need to know for West Coast Swing, but maybe cooler if you're serious about West Coast Swing. I've got a free gift. It is our pattern tree chart. It will show you how all the patterns that we teach relate back to the basic push, pass, and whip. So in this case, we're talking whips. So you'll be able to see the basic whip, whip with an inside turn, and so on and so forth to the coolest whips you know. You can download it here for free. We'll see you on the other side.